Hello everyone. Today we are going to do stairs workout. No equipment is needed to do this workout. You can do this indoor or outdoor. This workout target your inner and outer thigh, core, butt and also fat burning. Now one more thing, always use the stairs, not the elevator. We can jog, we can run, we can walk, but always use the stairs, and that's how we stay in fit. We are starting our workout with jogging up to the stairs for 30 seconds. It's a good warm-up for the stairs workout. You can either walk, jog or run, whatever you want to do. Next we are doing box jump. Simply jump up to the first or second step, whatever feels more comfortable and equally feels challenging for you. Next we are doing jump squat. Jump up and come down in a squat position. Try to land tightly on your feet and concentrate on proper squat form. Next we are doing calf raises. Stand on your toes at the end of the steps and lift your body up. Dip your heels down and push your body up and hold in this position for at least 1 second. Now let's do step knees up. Step your one leg back to the lunge position and drive your knee up. Just step back and drive the knee up to the chest. Alternate your knee after one leg is done. If you cannot go to the lunge position every time, then simply step your leg back and drive your knee. Next we are doing leg raises. Simply step up and raise your legs towards back. Next we are doing sitting in and out movement on the stairs. I want you to balance and sit on the stairs. Now lean backward and lift your legs. Bring your knees towards your chest. Then fully extend your legs and repeat. You can put your arms by the side to make yourself comfortable. Next we are doing lateral squat. Step up one leg in a lateral position, sit down to a squat position and back to the earlier position and repeat. Now let's do push-up. Depending on which one is comfortable for you, use first or second step for push-up. Raise and lower your body using the arms. You can be on your knees or on your feet, whatever is comfortable for you. Next we are doing tricep dips. Depending on what step will be comfortable, either first or second, put your hands directly underneath your shoulders onto the steps. You are gonna bend the elbows, lowering the hips down, and then extend the elbows and lift your body up. lunges. Keep those knees behind those toes. Keep your upper body straight with your shoulders back and relaxed and chin up. Now simply going up to the stairs and coming down normally. You are going to bend your knee down without touching the floor. Next we are doing up up down down movement. Simply step up and step down in a up up and down down movement. Next we are doing quick switch. Tap your feet up and down. This is a cardio workout. It will really help you in fat burn. Do it as fast as you can. Next we are doing deceleration jump squat. You can start this workout in the middle of the steps. Step backward and land softly down in the squat position on the step below. Next we are doing up and down squat. Jump up and jump down and come to the squat position. Next we are doing mountain climbers. Get into high plank position and bring your knees to the chest, alternating between your legs. It will engage your lower abs and burn your fat fast. Next we are doing single leg hop. Step up in a single leg. Try to land lightly on your feet. Now let's do side step crossover. Simply walk up in cross leg position. It will target your lower body and you are going to feel the burn. Also remember to switch the side. Next we are doing toe tap and arms. We are just tapping our feet in the first step and parallelly we are pushing our arms behind. If you like my video, then please share it with your friends. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.